Hey guys, hey travelers, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jude, I'm a legit travel agent. So advertise muna tayo sa lahat ng mga naghahanap ng airline tickets, domestic and international, ferry tickets, to-go, bus tickets, mobile loading, tour packages, hotel accommodation, at marami pang iba. Just message me in my messenger para ma-assist kita. So sa lahat ng mga hindi nakatanggap ng magandang support team sa mga agencies na pinagbuka nila ng ticket, well, I advise na hanap kayo ng travel agency na meron talagang 24/7 support team na sasagot sa mga questions ninyo at mag-assist sa inyo ng maayos. Kasi marami talaga akong na-receive na message na after nilang nag-book doon sa pinagbuka nila ng ticket ay talagang iniwan na sila at nangangapa sila kung paano i-rebook or i-refund yung kanilang mga tickets. So guys, I advise na hanap kayo ng legit travel agent na hindi kayo iiwanan hanggang sa makarating kayo sa inyong destination. Okay, today my topic is about how to apply travel pass-through permit using one s-pass account only para sa lahat ng members ng iyong family. For example, lahat kayo ay magta-travel, yung mama mo, yung papa mo, ikaw, yung kuya mo. So, paano mag-apply ng travel permit using one s-pass account only? So first, go to s-pass.ph and then click login. Enter mobile number, password, and click I am not a robot and click login. This is your account now. Just scroll down and click apply permit. Once again, are you an APUR? No. Are you in SCQ and MSCQ area? No. What is your current location? For example, Cagayan de Oro. Where are you going? Manila. And click Generate Travel Pass-Through Permit. Select type of traveler, local tourist, student, Filipino workers, returning resident, OFW. Just select what type of traveler you are, and then your personal details is already there, your gender also, and then date of departure. Just select your date of departure and date of arrival, and then origin LGU, your region, automatic na siya. Province, municipality, just input your house number, state, and barangay. If you want to edit your municipality, province, or region, punta ka sa iyong account details. Later, i-discuss ko yan. And then for destination LGU, yung region, province, municipality, ay automatic na rin siya. Just enter your house number, street, and barangay. For the mode of transportation, select land, sea, air. Kung mag-airplane ka, air. Magbabarko ka, sea. Kung magbabus ka, land. And type, private, public, government. Just select public. Additional travel details. Enter plate number, flight number. This is just an optional. And government issued ID, passport, driver's license, UMID, SSS, PRC, Postal 10, and others. Kung wala kang valid IDs, pwede mong i-upload yung school ID or your birth certificate. But again, depende pa rin yun sa destination LGU kung tatanggapin nila. Government issued ID number, just input it here. And then choose file, upload a photo of the ID. And click I am not robot. And click submit. After you click submit, ma-approve na agad yung travel pass through permit, unlike travel coordination permit. Pag na-approve na, balik ka dito sa taas. And then, you only have to edit the first name. For example, nasa isang pamilya lang kayo, same apelido or last name, yung first name lang yung i-edit mo. But if hindi naman same, you can edit your first name, middle name, and last name naman. edit this one, and then same date of departure and date of arrival, same origin LGU, same street, barangay, and then government issued ID. So same process, and then click I am not robot. So pag nag-approve na, balik ka ulit, and then edit the first name and last name hanggang sa kayong lahat sa isang family magkaroon ng travel permit. So, para makita yung travel permit application, click travel permits. So, nandito yung status ng inyong application. Again, pag travel pass-through permit, approve siya agad. And then, dito sa My Account, nandito ang yung personal details, region, province, municipality. For example, gusto mo siyang palitan, dito mo siya i-edit. Okay? That's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching at I hope you learned something. Again, kung naghahanap ka ng legit travel agent, just message me in my messenger. And thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye guys!